Hi, this is going to be a really quick tutorial on how to hide your map while streaming Rust and do it safely. And also then have it as a single button press instead of two button presses like you may have seen on other tutorials. So here we go. It involves using your mouse software, so you will need some kind of mouse with macros. If you've got something other than Logitech, then you'll just have to find a way to do it in a similar kind of fashion. But I've got Logitech and that's what we're going to use, and OBS Studio. So we find our game scene, and then in there you have game capture. Now, instead of hiding an image and showing an image above game capture like you may have seen before, which can result in you actually seeing the map still for a split second, what we're going to do is hide and show the game capture. Okay, and below that, just so you don't see a black screen, I've got this image streamer mode on the left here. So this is what people see when I'm hiding the map. It's just below game capture. Okay, it has to be below game capture because we're going to hide game capture. Go over to settings, hotkeys, look for your scene. For me, it's game. And what we're looking at is show hide game capture. Okay, so this has to be something that also works in keybinds for Rust. Rust won't let you use F keys or characters, and it has to be two different keys. It's just the way it works in Rust. Also, you probably want to think about when you're streaming other games and you don't actually want it to be like M and N, for example, because otherwise you're going to be in another game hiding your game capture when maybe you don't want to. So for me, I've used 9 and 0. It doesn't matter because we're going to macro this to the mouse. So first of all, you can change this if you want to play around, but for me, 9 and 0 work. Hide game capture 9, show game capture 0. Okay, so when I press these two keys here, you'll see game capture shows and hides. Right? In Rust, you want it the opposite way around with those two keys when you show and hide the map. So let's go into Rust and let's take a look. Press F1 to go to console and type in bind 9 map. So when we press 9, we show the map. But also in OBS, we hide game capture. And then behind that will be an image saying streamer mode, or just an image or a meme or whatever you want. Okay, so then you need the hide map key, which is bind 0 map false is what we're using. So when I hit 0, it'll hide the map, but it'll also show again the game capture. Okay, so we can come out that, we can test it. Showing the map, hiding the map, showing the map, hiding the map. Okay, so then we go back to the desktop. Okay, desktop. Okay, so now we're going to head over to the mouse. Find your macro settings. Hopefully you can do something similar if you've got a different brand. So let's get rid of this macro. I'm going to redo it. For me, I like to use this button right here because I just don't use it. So first of all, create a macro. Give it a name. You might think the toggle is the one to use, but when you create a toggle, let me just show you. Show map 9, remember? And that's it. So the button's only going to show the map. Okay, so let's add the hide map. Okay. That's not going to work because what's going to happen is it's going to show and hide the map in one press. So let's get rid of this. Just click them and hit delete. What you want is the sequence. It's the only one that I found that really works. So here we go. So on start, record 9. Stop recording. on release. Start recording, 0, stop. It's as simple as that. Don't worry about this one. That's all you need. I haven't found a way to toggle it on one button. This is just to get it back to being one button. So you don't have to mess around with one button to show the map, one button to hide the map. Hit save. Then you need to, don't forget to add that to the button on the mouse. So you click that, show it there, and we should be done. So now, if we go back to the game, when I press that thumb button, I'm holding it down, I'm showing the map. Letting go, back in the game. Try it one more time. Okay, so it's now a push to hold like it was originally, except the only difference is we don't see the map. But you do, so that's really cool. Okay guys, if you like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And then head over to Twitch, give me a follow, check out my stream. Hope to see you around. See you later.